A woman keeps 5 small plants on her balcony. She waters them every morning before she leaves for work. It only takes a few minutes, but she never skips it. This morning, the apartment is still quiet when she gets up. Her husband is asleep and the kitchen light is off. She fills a small white watering can at the kitchen sink. Then she slides open the balcony door as quietly as she can. The morning air is cool on her arms. Down the street, a man is walking a small white dog. She waters her pots in the same order every day, left to right, from the biggest pot to the smallest one. The smallest pot is her problem plant. It is a rosemary plant she bought 2 years ago. Last winter, it lost almost all of its leaves. By February, it looked completely dead. It was just dry, gray sticks standing in cold soil. She almost threw it away. But the pot was a birthday gift from her mother, so she decided to wait until spring and see. All through March, she watched it, and nothing happened. All through April, still nothing at all. She kept watering it anyways, just a little, every morning. This morning, she tips the watering can over the small pot, then she stops. There is something green near the bottom of the plant. She puts the can down and bends closer to look. It's a new leaf. Small, bright green, and still a little folded. She is sure it was not there yesterday. She looks at it for a long moment, then she gives the small pot a little extra water. Down below, more people are walking toward the station now. She goes back inside to get ready for work. She leaves the watering can by the door, ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, she will check this pot first.